Chapter 5 Tables in Word 2016 Learning Objectives. After completing the chapter, students will be able to learn how to create a table and enter data in, format tables, set table and cell alignments. Chapter 5 Tables in Word 2016 Learning Objectives. After completing the chapter, students will be able to learn how to create a table and enter data in, format tables, set table and cell alignments. Introduction. Data is often required to be presented in a tabular, rows and columns form. To represent data in a tabular form, a table needs to be inserted in the document. Word 2016 provides a feature tables to create a table in a document and modify it. Tables are used to manage our day-to-day expenses, in comparing items, etc. Let us learn various elements of tables. Tables. A table consists of rows and columns. The vertical division of a table is called a column and horizontal division is called a row. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Every cell of the table usually contains data. An example of a table is given below. Creating tables. In Word 2016, you can create tables by using one of the following methods. Method 1. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Table option in the Tables group. A drop-down menu appears. 3. Click on the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. 4. Enter the number of columns and the number of rows. 5. Click on the OK button. A blank table will be inserted in the document. Method 2. You can also create a table using grid lines. By using this method, you can insert maximum of 10 by 8 table where 10 is the number of columns and 8 is the number of rows. The steps to insert a table using grid lines are as follows. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Table option in the Tables group. A drop-down menu appears. 3. Select and click on the number of boxes you want in your table. A table gets inserted in the document. Entering data. The steps to enter the data in table are as follows. 1. Click in the cell where you want to type the data. 2. The cursor appears in the cell. Type the data and press Tab key to move to the next cell. Formatting tables. A table inserted in a Word 2016 document can be formatted in many ways. Formatting means changing the appearance of the table to enhance its look. The formatting is done by using two tabs, Design and Layout, that appear when you create the table in the document. These tabs also appear when the cursor is inside the table. Let us do some table formatting by using these tabs. Changing table styles. Table styles is used to apply different designs to a table. It makes table more attractive. To change table styles of the table, follow the given steps. 1. Click in the table. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Select any layout from the Table Styles group. The selected layout is applied to the table. Applying shading. Shading is used to change the color of the entire table or some cells. In order to apply shading to any cell, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the cell or select the cells whose color you want to change. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Click on the Shading option under Table Styles group. 4. Select the color for the shading and it will be applied onto the selected cells. Applying border. The steps to apply borders to the table and cells are as follows. 1. Select the table or cell or cells on which you wish to apply border. 2. Click on the Design tab. 3. Click on Border Styles option in the Border group. 4. Select the Line Style from the Line Style drop-down box. Modifying tables. Modifying tables means to change the look and feel of a table in a document. Word 2016 provides various features to customize a table, like insertion of rows and columns, deletion of rows and columns, merging and splitting cells. Let us learn how to modify a table using customizing features of Word. Insertion of rows. The steps to insert row or rows in a table are as follows. 1. Select the row or cell where you want to insert a new row. 2. Click on the Layout tab and under Rows and Columns group, click on one of the following. Insert above. To insert a row above the selected cell or row. Insert below. To insert a row below the selected cell or row. Insertion of columns. The steps to insert column or columns in a table are as follows. 1. Select the column cell where you want to insert a new column. 2. Click on the Layout tab and under Rows and Columns group and click on one of the following options. Insert left. To insert a column to the left of the selected column or cell. Insert right. To insert a column to the right of the selected column or cell. Insertion of cells. The steps for insertion of a cell in a table are as follows. 1. Select the cell where you want to insert the new cell. 2. Right-click on the cell. A drop-down menu appears. 3. Click on Insert option. 4. Select Insert Cells from the sub-menu. The Insert Cells dialog box appears. 5. Click on the required option and click on OK. A blank cell will be inserted. Deletion of row or column or cell. The steps to delete a row or column or cell are as follows. 1. Select the row or column or cell which you want to delete. 2. Click on Layout tab. 3. Click on Delete option. A drop-down menu appears. 4. Select the option as per your requirement. Delete cells. To delete the selected cell. Delete columns. To delete the selected column. Delete rows. To delete the selected rows. Delete table. To delete the entire table. Merging a cell. Merging of a cell means to combine two or more cells to make it a single cell. The steps to merge cells are as follows. 1. Select the two or more cells you want to merge. 2. Click on the Layout tab. 3. Click on the Merge Cells option in the Merge group. The cells will get merged. Splitting a cell. Splitting of a cell means to break a cell into multiple cells. The steps to split cells are as follows. 1. Select a cell that you want to split into multiple cells. 2. Click on the Layout tab. 3. Click on the Split Cells option. The Split Cells dialog box appears. 4. Enter the number of rows and columns and click on the OK button. The cell will be splitted accordingly. Copying and resizing a table. When a table is inserted, two handles are invisible at the top left corner and bottom right corner of the table. The handle at the top left corner of the table is called Table Move Handle. The handle at the bottom left corner of the table is called Table Resize Handle. To move the table, just click and drag the Table Move handle anywhere in the document and drop it. The table will be moved to the desired place. To resize the table, just click and drag the Table Resize handle. The table will be resized to the desired size. Alignment of the table. Alignment of the table refers to the page placement of the table. In MS Word, different kinds of alignments are available: left, center, right, and justify. The steps to align a table are as follows. 1. Select the table using Table Move handle which appears at the top left corner of the table. 2. Click on the Home tab and select any alignment in the paragraph group. The selected alignment will be applied to the table. Text alignment in the cells. Text alignment means placement of text in the cells of a table. The steps to align the text in the cells are as follows. 1. Select the cell or cells whose alignment needs to be changed. 2. Click on the Layout tab. 3. In Alignment Group, click on any alignment as per your choice. The text in the selected cells gets aligned. Summary. A table consists of rows and columns. Intersections of rows and columns are called cells. Formatting means changing the appearance of the table in the document. Merging of cells is the process of combining two or more cells into a single cell. Splitting of cell means to divide a cell into multiple cells. You can set the alignment of a table as well as alignment of cells in Word.